How to actually make money online in 2025, 5 real methods that work. You know what makes me mad? Seeing people get scammed by those get-rich-quick gurus. So I dug deep, talked to real people actually making money online, and found 5 legit methods that won't waste your time. No fluff, just real numbers you can trust. Look, I'm not here to sell you some magic system. My whole channel's about cutting through the noise. Today, we're breaking down proven ways to earn online in 2025, with actual income reports from normal people like you. Method 1, affiliate marketing. First up, affiliate marketing. Sounds fancy, but it's simple. You recommend stuff you love, get paid when people buy. Like that blender I use daily. When someone buys through my link, Amazon kicks me a few bucks. Here's why it works. 81% of companies now have affiliate programs. Real beginners earn $100 to $500 per month year one. My friend Sarah makes $8,000 per month just reviewing tech gear. Just be real, only push products you'd buy yourself. Method 2, freelancing. Want to start earning today? Freelancing's your golden ticket. Writing, social media help, virtual assisting, businesses need this stuff. But here's the secret sauce. Stop competing on price. I'll edit videos for $5. Start competing on value. I'll boost your engagement 30%. I've seen newbies go from $15 an hour to $75 an hour in 6 months just by niching down. Method 3, digital products. Okay, my personal favorite, digital products. Why? Because once you create it, it keeps selling while you sleep. Think. Simple Notion. Templates, $17 to $47. Mini courses, $29 to $99. Printable planners. The kicker? The online learning market's exploding. My buddy made $3,000 last month teaching basic Canva design. Not bad for something he created last year. Method 4, e-commerce. E-commerce isn't just for Bezos anymore. With print on demand, you can sell t-shirts without touching inventory. See this? Designed it Monday, sold 12 units by Friday. Real talk though. New stores average $500 to $3,000 a month. It takes testing, my first 5 products flopped. Marketing, greater than product. Sad but true. Method 5, content creation. Let's talk about this platform. Yes, you can make money here, but it's not just ads. Smart creators mix sponsorships, affiliate links, their own products. Take Jessica, 90,000 subs, makes $7,000 a month. But here's what they don't show. Her first year, $0. Consistency